Welcome to Playing with Pixels. Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance the looks of a photo and turn it into something amazing. Let's get started. In Lights, increase exposure to 20. Then, increase contrast by 2. Decrease highlights to -91. Increase shadows to 25. Now, decrease whites to -16 and increase blacks to 25. Now in colors, decrease temperature by -2 and increase tint by 1. Then, increase vibrance by 26 and increase saturation by 12. Now in color mixture, select red. In red, increase hue by 4, then decrease saturation to -8 and increase luminance by 6. In orange, decrease hue to -4, then decrease saturation to -6 and increase luminance to 16. In yellow, decrease hue to -6, then decrease saturation to -40 and increase luminance by 49. In green, decrease hue by -6, then decrease saturation to -48 and decrease luminance to -2. In aqua, decrease hue to -4, then decrease saturation to -30 and increase luminance to 43. In blue, change hue if necessary, then decrease saturation to -2 and increase luminance to 100. In purple, change hue if necessary, then decrease saturation to -54 and increase luminance to 26. In violet, change hue if necessary, then decrease saturation to -50 and increase luminance to 25. Moving to effects, increase texture by 2 and increase clarity by 10. And increase dehaze by 15. Now, decrease vignette to -11 and decrease midpoint to 28. Then, increase feather to 74 and increase roundness to 30. Then in details, increase sharpness to 15. Increase noise reduction to 16 and increase color noise reduction to 15. Now in curve, copy light curve as shown. Same way, adjust tone curve of red, green, and blue, to obtain similar effect. While using DNG file, some adjustments have to be done manually to get similar results. Catch up to you in another video. Till then, bye bye, and if you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.